The question A is generalize the element of culture below the causes 7-Eleven fell in Indonesia. The first point is aesthetic. Aesthetic refer to the idea in the culture concerning beauty and good taste as expressed in the art, music, art, drama and dancing, and the particular expression of color and form. Number 2, aesthetic also different effect, design, color, packaging, and brand name and media message. The answer I get from the paragraph is in the Indonesia, 7-Eleven offer item like selfie and snack together with fresh local food and alcohol. Number 4 is as the business took off, Modern International soon started to expand within the capital, Jakarta. The last point for this is 7-Eleven in Indonesia become the trendy hangout spot for local. For the religion refer to a specific set of beliefs and practices regarding the spiritual field. Number 2, understanding of religion is essential as it helps to understand how religion affects business practices. The answer I get from the paragraph is in 2015, Indonesia banned the sale of alcoholic beverages in convenience store and mini market. Then, due to the ban of alcoholic beverage at 7-Eleven, customers who always buy alcoholic beverage at 7-Eleven changed their place of purchase to another place such as Alfamart and Indomaret. The last answer for religion is Indonesia is not an Islamic country, even though the majority of its population is Muslim. Thank you.
My name is Jalan Taan. Today I will talk about social organization. Social organization and refer to a society's fundamental organization which comprise of group and institution. It is a system of social position and their relationship and the process by which its resources are distributed. In Indonesia, the stores remain crowded, but there was one problem: people weren't spending money in it. Even though there were huge crowd in 7-Eleven, consumers would just buy one drink and sit for hours. The company also attributed its lack of sales to intense competition from existing and new competitors such as FamilyMart and Alfamart. Next, manners and custom. Manners and custom refers to appropriate method of behaving, speaking, and dressing in a certain culture, represent the way of behaving and conducting oneself in public and business situation. Some countries are characterized by egalitarian or informal cultures in which people are equal and work together cooperatively. 7-Eleven's Indonesia operation was run by a local operator, PT Modern International. 7-Eleven Indonesia become trendy hangout spot.
For question B, carry out the culture effects. All businesses function below towards 7-Eleven marketing. First one is marketing. Marketing is a culture, has a great impact on international marketing. Marketer must have to study about the local culture in depth before offering a product to them. Cultural diversity affects the marketing and advertising at all levels, from consumer behavior, assumptions about how advertising works, to marketing strategies, advertising concepts and implementation. In 2014, the company in Indonesia hit peak sales of around 78 million with 190 stores. The future of 7-Eleven in Indonesia seems promising indeed. So the next one is human resources. Human resources is impacts company culture and plays a key role in helping to ensure an organization culture stays reliable. Corporate culture is not a fixed state. It involves with changing demographics, workplace norms, industry forces, and other factors. Corporate culture influences everything from productivity and moral to engagement and brand reputation. Organizational culture is reflected across multiple levels of the business. It can be seen in the work style that define organization teams' day-to-day approach to project, and in how the management interacts with its modern international soon started to expand within the capital Jakarta. It opened its 21st store by 2010 and it hit 100 unlike 7-Eleven. Its rival Indomaret and Alfamart usually reported revenue gains that year. Alfamart and Indomaret were able to withstand the ban because they offer a wider range of products and services.
Today I want to talk about question 1b. Carry out the culture affect all business function below towards 7-Eleven. Number 3 is production. The means of production is a concept that encompasses the social use and ownership of the land, labor, and capital need to produce goods, service, and their logistical distribution and delivery. Start as an ice vendor, the company eventually began offering milk, bread, and eggs on Sunday and evening when grocery stores were closed. This new business idea produced satisfied customers and increased sales, spawning the precursor of the modern convenient retail concept. The variety of service available at 7-Eleven include the bill payment service, sale of mobile phone reload cards, IDD or STD, touch and go reload, internet games, starter packs, reloads via MOL point top up, inkjet reget, refill, and photocopy. In 2009, 7-Eleven introduced fresh brewed coffee and other hot beverages together with packaged fresh food and bakery for the convenience of customers looking for ready-to-eat hot food. All food items sold in 7-Eleven undergo stringent quality control to ensure tastefulness and freshness. Number 4 is accounting and financial. Accounting and financial refer to the recording and analyzing of business activities. Understanding where your incoming and outgoing cash flow will help you make better decisions moving forward to avoid failure. 7-Eleven is the world's largest convenience store chain, operating, franchising, and licensing more than 60,000 stores in 18 countries. 7-Eleven Malaysia is the single largest convenience store chain with more than 2,240 stores nationwide, serving over 900,000 customers daily. Each 7-Eleven store carries over 2,200 SKUs, including proprietary brands such as Slurpee, frozen beverages, and Big Gulp fountain soft drink.
For question 2, generalized Hofstede cultural dimension that 7-Eleven can apply if it intends to enter in Indonesian market. The first one is long-term orientation. Hofstede cultural dimension that 7-Eleven can apply if it intends to enter Indonesian market, which is long-term orientation. Long-term orientation focuses on the degree the society embraces or does not embrace long-term devotion to traditional.
Question 2. Generalized Hofstede culture dimension that 7-Eleven can apply if it intends to enter in Indonesia market. for answer number 2 is uncertainty avoidance. Of third cultural dimension is uncertainty avoidance, the degree to which people in a society are comfortable with risk, uncertainty and unpredictable situation. Degree to which a society is willing to accept and deal with uncertainty. In other words, it ranks how a society deals with risk. People in high uncertainty avoidance societies tend to want to avoid uncertainty and unpredictability. As a result, work environments in such countries try to provide stability and certainty through clear rules and instruction. Indonesia has a poor propensity for avoiding ambiguity with a score of 48% on this metric. This indicates that Indonesia has a strong affinity for the Javanese culture of internal self-separation from exterior self-separation.
Thank you to Elizabeth to giving me opportunity to explain more point. The point is individualism vs collectivism. The lack of further research for the effect of 7-Eleven limit the ability in Indonesia firm to optimize repurchase intention by adapting to the local mix of antecedent for the repurchase intention that best suit for individualism and collectivism culture. Number 2 is individualism focus on the degree of society reforms individual or collective achievement and interpersonal relationship. Number 3 is to add marketing practice and extend the literature on international marketing. Our research is original in describing how individualism and collectivism moderates the most important repurchase intention driving effect customer satisfaction, brand image and relationship conversion cost. Number 2 is as a second contribution we will seek to expand the limit and context specific support for existing theories and the main effect of individualism and collectivism on repurchase intention by examining multiply industry simultaneously. The last point is consumer also tend the associate 7-Eleven competitors such as Indomaret and Alfamart with daily necessity, which is they serve as the buffer against the alcohol sale bans. Rahanta said, I think 7-Eleven risk was limited to Jakarta. Thank you.
Lastly, masculinity and femininity. The tendency within a society to emphasize traditional gender roles. Masculinity focuses on the degrees this society reinforces or does not reinforce the traditional masculine work role model of male achievement, control and power. In the culture, men are aggressive, tough and work towards material success. Women are modern, focused on a quality of life and attender. In a masculine culture, both gender value competition, ambition, assertion and accumulation of material possession. A high masculinity ranking indicates the country experiences a high degree of gender differentiation. A low masculinity femininity ranking indicates the country has a low level of differentiation and discrimination between genders.
Nate Goyard.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope it cash, like, whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's like gold. Got me yelling the playlist because she fuck with me the most, like that. Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3